misty morning this morning. I've travelled as far east on this particular landmass that I can possibly go, and that's literally the case, because any further east I require a Russian visa and I don't have one. Welcome to Estonia. I'm on the way to Tallinn. It's the only place that I've heard of in Estonia, and I think it's the capital in any case. And I talked about consolidation yesterday or a couple of days ago, and after almost 1900 miles I think I've earned a couple of days rest from driving, so I'm going to have a bit of an explore, see what it's all about, and then I'll have to think about turning round and doing the mileage on the way back. Tallinn, here we come. I'm currently walking around the what seems to be the newest part of Tallinn, the Northumberland district, and heading towards the old town. Now, I've got to say, and it's possibly down to my own prejudgment, that the place so far has surprised me somewhat. It's not as Eastern Bloc as you, or to be fair, myself, had originally thought, and you can see why the airlines have come here. It's very modern, very avant-garde, very with it, a mix of old and new, and we'll see what the old has to show for itself. But yeah, pleasantly surprised. A couple of things that I've discovered about Estonia. The language is Finno-Ugric, and there are over 1,500 islands that make up the place, of which 50% of that is forest. It takes its influence from the Nordic tastes and tradition, hence the Hansel and Gretel feel to this place. Now, in relation to Tallinn, the old town hall, which I walked past earlier on, dates back to 1402, and there's been a settlement here which is dated back 5,000 years, believe it or not. So there's more to Tallinn than meets the eye. Just behind me is Tallinn's oldest pharmacy. In fact, it's the oldest operating pharmacy in the world, and it dates back to 1422. wasn't going to film tonight, however, the rally you see in front of you is all about the Republic. Apparently, it's 101 years old today, and everyone's come out to celebrate. I wasn't going to film tonight because the GoPro isn't very good in low light, but I forgot I had my vlogging camera with me, which is what I'm using right now. The problem is that most of the stuff I've already missed. But all I'll say is that Estonia at night is well worth it. I've just got off the number 34A bus. I've come a couple of kilometres out of the city to one of the sites that they've got listed, and it's the telecom tower. And apparently it's the best place to get the views of the city, so I'm gonna have a look. I'm about to go up into the tower, and you can buy 3 different types of experiences. The first one, which is the one I'm going to do, is just to go up and have a look around. You can walk around the top on the outside of the tower, and that's another experience. And then you can be shackled to the actual tower itself and kind of lean off the edge, but you can only do that at certain times of the year, and thankfully that experience is closed at this time of the year. So let's have a look and see what Tallinn is all about from the air. I forgot to mention that part of the ticket price for the Sky Tower, Telecom Tower, was a couple of euros for the Botanical Gardens, which is just down the road. So that's where I am now. Can have a look around.